Hello viewers, once again this is Felix from Felix Piano Academy with another lesson. Now we have another lesson by the name formation of major chords and minor chords. So remember we are in key C. Forming a major chord, you place your thumb at C, you leave 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, you place other finger, you leave 2, 1, 2, you play the 3 simultaneously. That is C major chord. We also want to play another major in key C. Another major is F. Place your thumb, leave 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The other major, it is G major. To place your thumb, you leave 3, 1, 2, 3. Finger, 1, 2. So, in the scale of C, we have 3 majors. That is C, F, and G. So, this is our number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we are focusing with our number 1, our number 4, and our number 5. Those are the only majors that we have. C, F, and G. So, with those major chords, you can play any song, any song. For example, like we have this song Twakupa heshima na sifa zote, ewe Mungu umetukuka. I'm just using the major chords. So that is how you form majors in every key. So I want to make it simple for you. How? I will use something we call inversion, and inversion nitawaletea video about inversion. Wafundishe how we invert chords. For example, if you are in key C, make sure you are here. Ukitaka kwenda F major chord, hautashindia kuruka from here uende huku. Ukiwa hapa utainua hizi mbili, hii moja iende hapo na hii nyingine iende hapo. Urudi tena. Ukitaka, that is G major chord, hautashindia kukuja huku. Ukiwa hapa, hii moja itaenda hapo na hii nyingine ingie hapo. So to play something, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Twakupa heshima na sifa zote, ewe Mungu umetukuka. You see? Very simple, very simple. So make sure you follow my videos, uendelee kujua. To the next lesson, tutaanza kusoma the minor chords za key of C. Na tujue ni wapi tunaweza zitumia. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and God bless you.